Okay, I replaced the remote switch you sent me. This is a new transfer switch that you have sent me, replacing. And at this point I have the generator in standby mode. It's plugged in to the transfer switch. The communication is plugged in. It's got AC power plugged in here. This clearly works. If I turn this on, this detects generator on. Good. Turn it off. This is just showing that I'm getting power from the outlet. So if I now unplug utility, it's not showing I lost power, and I no longer have power here. If I turn the unit on, sorry. Transfer switch is not talking to the generator. This is the original remote switch that you had me replace. This is the old one, this is the new one.